I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying the hardware and baseline talent settings. Connect your mixed reality headset, update firmware, and ensure GPU drivers match the required build. Once done, calibrate tracking with a half-meter clearance and steady lighting to avoid jitter. Next, load the specific battle talent profile and assign baseline stats. Enable a 20 ms latency buffer for smoother inputs. This gets you into the actionable state fast, so you can move straight into real-time tuning without wasted setup time. You now refine how talent behaves in combat. Map gestures and voice commands, testing 3 to 5 variations to balance speed versus accuracy, and keep the ones that trigger reliably. Then place spatial anchors and define 1 to 3 engagement zones, prioritizing line of sight and natural cover to prevent clipping. Once anchored, fine-tune haptics between 30 and 70% and assign distinct pulse patterns for critical feedback. Together, these steps improve reliability and decision speed during live engagements. You complete the process by running iterative combat drills and validating outcomes. Start with 5 cycles of escalating difficulty while recording telemetry. Watch input lag, hit registration, and anchor drift. Once done, analyze logs and apply corrective offsets to gesture mapping or anchor positions to close gaps. If something fails, restart sensors and recalibrate anchors, then rerun a short drill. Make sure to check network jitter. If it exceeds 50 milliseconds, prioritize fixing that first to avoid inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.